Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to install ReShade in Sims 4. If you play the Sims 4, you want the best results, resolution, and different effects, then I'll show you how you can install ReShade for the best experience. Here on the desktop, you can see we have the icon of the Sims 4, and you also have to make sure you have installed the exe file of ReShade. Once you have installed it, open it up and you will see the Sims 4. I have different versions of it. You may have only one. So just simply select the one that you want to have the effects on. Click on next. And after that, it will show you different options. So basically through these, you will get different sort of effects. You can select any one of these. Further, you will find all of the effects available. Here you can read the title of each effect and its purpose, like what it will do in your game. So the one that you want to have, you can select them, or if you want to select all of them, what you can do is you can just simply uncheck them at first from the top, and then you will see the option for check also. By that you can check all of them and then you can install it. But if you want to install the specific one that you understand or you're looking for, you can go for it. Further, you can read them, and whatever you find the most useful one, you can select them, like you can check it. Once you have checked them, your desired effects, then it's time to install them. Some of these further have sub effects. You can select them as per your preferences. Every option here is up to you. Click on next, and after that it will start installing. Once installing is done, it will show you that the effects or the reshade has been installed. That means the effects that you want to have through reshade for Sims 4 has been installed in your game, and now you will have the best experience once you play it. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.